Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, I have a Bombay and Cedar Spring Lifestyle box, so let's get into it and check it out. Box is sent to me from Bombay and Cedar for review. It is the Spring Lifestyle Box. I think it's the first one that I've done that is their quarterly lifestyle box. So let me tell you guys that it is 4 times a year and it will have 7 to 9 full-size products in it. It is a retail value of over $225. You will have customizations with it. I don't know that you always have the same number, but I know that the winter box had 3 customizations. It is $84.95 if you do it quarterly. If you sign up for an annual, so you would get 4 boxes, it brings it down to $79.95, and it does have free shipping. If you have any interest after seeing it, I will put my link and my code down below, Kathrin10, and it will get you 10% off your first box. And I'm pretty confident this is their first seasonal box that I've had. I get the monthly ones, I get the beauty ones, but I think this is the first seasonal one. So right on top, we have something very light. The box is very heavy, so something in there is going to be very heavy. And this is Lily Crunchy Water Lily Seeds Parisian Kiss. The whole bag has 136 calories. It's an ancient super seed, plant-based, dark chocolate raspberry, naturally gluten-free. It feels like an empty bag, so it must be like a very light, oh, they're balls. Interesting. Let me show you the back so you can see what they look like, because I have opened so many boxes I don't want to put my hand in there. But it says, nourish your mind, body, and soul with the power of ancient super seeds, used in Ayurveda for centuries. Lily immerses you in the sweet, deep, and delicate atmosphere of the City of Light. Enjoy the perfect balance between the intensity of 70% dark chocolate and the punch of raspberry over our crunchy water lily seeds. So it's literally water lilies? Okay, well, this is very interesting, and who doesn't like to start with a snack? And just for the record, everyone would have received that treat. It is $4.99, and it says, these Lily Pops are a great source of protein, magnesium, iron, and are naturally gluten and sugar-free. They make a low-calorie vegan snack, available in several flavors. So something else everyone would have received is this Happy Mail. Eunice and Sabina Moyle keep in touch with cool and stylish handmade snail mail. Oh my goodness. So it's a big book. It says ages 8 and up, $14.95 US. Make your stationery sing with unique and personalized creations. You guys know I talk about it on the channel probably way too much. I love handwritten. I love handwritten notes. I like all of my lists and everything to be handwritten. Everyone would have received something like this actually. It says book or journal by various authors. If you've been with us for a while, you know how much we love books. We couldn't decide on just the one for the spring box, so we hope you enjoy what we've chosen for you. Tag us at Bombay and Cedar and let us know what you received. And they had a $20 to $40 value basically. Aw, so it teaches you how to do things. I wondered if it was going to be stickers and that kind of thing, but oh, actually in the back there are. Oh my goodness, there are postcards. Okay. Let's start at the beginning. They say paper cut alphabet, so you learn how to do it, and then there are lines over here for you to do it yourself. And then this one says brush lettering, so you can perfect different kinds of lettering for cards. This one teaches you with just these colors how to make this card. This is a really, really cute idea. A congrats card. It just has a million different ideas, and then this says stationery, so let's see. Oh, look. In this section, we provided some designed cards and stationery for you to color in, write on, and decorate. Get inspired by what you've learned in this book to turn these pages into your own awesome handwritten cards and letters. Well, the fun thing about having this around here, aside from the fact that I have a 14-year-old, almost 11-year-old, just 5-year-old, and 3-year-old granddaughters who will all love this, I also used to do so much scrapbooking that I have all kinds of markers and paints and chalks and all the fun things. The girls are going to love this, and I am going to love spreading my thrill of stationery type things along to them. I love this. So everybody might not have gotten that exact book, but they would have gotten something like that. Okay, next out, I have a Mabel Clean Mold Prevention Restoration, made in small batches, non-toxic, all natural, and it's tea tree essential oil because that is absolutely the best non-toxic way to deal with mold. I know that because we live in a house built in 1964, which is why I don't do more vlogging, because I see all, well, it doesn't matter. I see all of the houses of the people that do their vlogging, and they're all in these wonderful new houses, and welcome to my self-esteem issues. This is awesome. It is sulfate and solvent free, no colorants or fragrance, biodegradable and recyclable, never tested on animals. This will absolutely get used in my house, and I just saw in the bottom of the box, comes with its sprayer also. Seems very necessary for this. And this was a variation. You would have either gotten a household cleaner by Mabel, so it didn't have to be this one. It could have been another household cleaner that had a $13 to $16 value. You could have received a CBD Fizzies, or you could have had moisturizing hand sanitizer. That would have gotten plenty of use too. And that had a $12.99 value. So they were all really close in value. And I could not be more thrilled to have this because I love to spray the shower down with this because it is the easiest way to non-toxic deal with mold situations. And next it says one of the below will be included in your box: a charcoal detox face mask, a radiant rose face mask, a charcoal detox kit, a bubble elixir, or what I received, the blend cream body scrub. Give yourself a moment to escape during a natural scrub with this body scrub. Its formula is enriched with sugar and coconut shells for natural exfoliation. They say it has a $27 value. Wow. Uh-oh, pamplemousse. Pamplemousse. Is that grapefruit? I think that might be grapefruit in French. Oh my gosh, they have found a new way to attack me. Foreign languages and saying grapefruit. Oh, it's all in French on the back. Yes, over here in English, body scrub with grapefruit. Okay, not gonna open it. You see, when you're allergic to things, you learn how to say them in foreign languages you might run up against. So that is what it looks like. It is very nice. It's a sugar scrub, which are absolutely my favorite. It's got coconut shell in it, so it might even smell like coconut, but I'm not even gonna open it so that I can pass it along. Although I probably won't do it in a giveaway because it's real heavy. So maybe one of my girls will like it. Pamplemousse. Next out, you could have had in this selection a insulated water bottle by Bougie Bottle, a glass carafe by Route 7, or what I received, and I did take the time to unwrap everything else that's in my box because everything else was wrapped. So I have the set of 2 artisan mugs by Danica. I received one of these in blue in one of my other boxes, and I love this color so much more. This is so much more my kitchen and my lifestyle, but these have a $28 value, and it says these gorgeous ceramic mugs feature an organic shape and a unique wax resist technique. Holds 12 ounces of liquid, letting you sip a mugful of your favorite coffee or tea. Design chosen at random, and both mugs will be in the same color. So I have one of these in blue and I love it. And it's one of those things, how many mugs do you have? Too many. And I've made the promise that I won't buy any more. This doesn't count, but I've made the promise that I won't buy any more without getting rid of one. Well, got this one in the blue, and my husband saw it and he liked it too. So I am so happy to actually have a set that goes better with my lifestyle. It's kind of smaller on top and it comes out just a little bit. I love the size of the handle of it. I love the design. It's by Danica. I don't know who that is, but I love this mug. I reach for my blue one every time I reach for a mug, so I could not be happier to have these 2 yellow ones. Next, you could have either received a Moroccan Rose facial oil by Dr. Botanicals, love Dr. Botanicals, an Environmental Rescue facial oil by Real Chemistry, or a Me Shot anti-pigmentation by Capria. And that is what I got. And anything that says anti-pigmentation, I'm gonna go ahead and pass along because the only way you get rid of color is aggressively. And you guys know my face cannot take that. This says, harnessing the power of this Aussie superfruit, Capria's serum that is in a 100% plantable box will impede the production of melanin. And it has a $54 value. Let me show you the inside, and then I will slip it right back in this box so that I can pass it along. So that is what it looks like. It looks really interesting, and it's very wet, so I don't think it's going to be super oily in here, but anything that is anti-melanin or anything like that is far too aggressive for my skin. So I'll tuck that right back in. Look, it says it can be planted. It's kind of furry. I hope that comes across. That's cool. Okay, next it says one of the below will be included, and you could have gotten a vitamin C water filter, not sure what that means, an ear seed kit, and that is something to do with acupressure, a Live Well gift set, and that looks like it is self-watering bamboo planter and seeds, and I received this Wellness Test Strip by Vivio. I think I actually had one of these before. I don't think I did it. I definitely should do it this time. Meet Vivio 2.0. Vivio now tracks 11 key wellness parameters based on your urine, then translates them into accountable nutrition and lifestyle advice specific to your body. Always know exactly what to do for optimal health and wellness. Includes 4 test strips and it has a $40 value. So that is what they look like. I have 2 of them. And that is what it looks like. So it says on here, it tracks hydration level, pH, ketones, and much more. That is really interesting. Okay, next, it says you will receive one of the below. A extra virgin olive oil, that's kind of fun, by Onsuri. A spicy drops or extracts set from Holy Llama Naturals, or what I received, a raw syrup from Bacana. Look how cool this is. You can't even imagine. Well, you probably can because it's glass. How heavy this is. They do not skimp on fun items just because they're going to be expensive to ship. I mean, this had mugs and this and a full cleaner. You know, none of that was inexpensive. This says, looking for a delicious and healthy way to sweeten your cocktails? Look no further than these raw syrups. Made with natural ingredients, these syrups can be used in your favorite recipes such as cocktails or iced teas. And it has an $18 value. Well, here, let me tell you my story. QVC. I hate it when my stories start with QVC. QVC recently had a Ninja Foodie Creamy, C-R-E-A-M-I, and you make your own at-home ice creams. And you don't have to keep that. You know how you've always had to keep that big thing in the freezer? You don't do that with this. You get little pint things and you make your mix and you put it in there and then you freeze that. And then the creamy magically turns it into ice cream. You go down through it. If it's not creamy enough for you, you just remix it. Super easy. This might be fun to add to strawberry ice cream because I've been just doing it with regular strawberries, but this could give it even more strawberry flavor. So that's probably how I will be using this. I might try it in my coffee too because basically I love strawberries. But that is so fun. If you have any interest in this Ninja Creamy, me making a little video on it, let me know below. I'm happy to do it. And I will put a link below down to it if you want to go over and check it out because it has nothing to do with this box. But this is so much fun. And right now at this moment in my life, I am this box is awesome. Almost too much goodness for me to get all in the picture. I have to kind of go, Okay. I think last, you would have also either gotten a wallet or tote bag from Earth Squared or a tote bag from Shira Leah. They're both about the same value. I got the one from Shira Leah because it matches the picture. This perfect everyday bag is big enough to fit everything you need. The double handles make it easy to carry, and the magnetic snap closure keeps everything secure with inner zip pockets for holding smaller items. $29 to $37, so they must have been different. Look how big this baby is. I mean, she's not kidding. So it's kind of a mustard, dark mustard, maybe Dijon. Let's see, Dijon. You know, we had some French stuff in here. A nice Dijon mustard background with pink stripes through it. Nice canvasy cream stripes and pink stripes through it. So that is what that looks like. The handles are just kind of a vegan leather handle. When we open it up, oh, it's lined. Oh my gosh. It's lined with a really nice, almost like a cotton sheeting fabric. So pretty. You can see it has a zipper. Oh my gosh. I thought that this was just, I thought that this is just one of those totes that has the thin bottom. Nope. You make it flat. This thing would hold, I was going to say a small child. It would hold a medium child. Oh my goodness. I could get more in here than I could even begin to think to carry. Do you guys see how wide it is? This is the width. So the bottom is that by that. That's a lot of tote bag. And like I said, it's nicely lined. Oh my gosh. This is super nice. Okay, here's the thing. At the beginning when we started opening this, I thought, you know what? $84.95 is a lot of price for a box to try and equal up to. And I have to tell you, I think they did it. So I received this incredible tote bag. Sorry, I'm gonna turn my back to you for a second. this really fun stationery book that I and the kids will love. Nice little chocolate raspberry treats. The Pamplemousse, we know what that means. Body scrub, the face serum, the Vivu to see if I'm drinking enough, which I'm probably not today. This nice, ooh, almost covered it up. Restoration by Mabel, mold prevention. I'm so happy to have 2 of these now in the same color. Thrilled. And strawberry juice. Yes, please. Oh, and don't forget our bag that I could probably get you in. I think it's awesome. This says your value is between $226 and $333.98. Hold on, I'll get your value on mine. My box had a value of $227. And considering I will use, I was gonna say, considering I will use everything in it, which I will not, because you know I am allergic to pamplemousse. See, we're gonna find new ways to say the things I'm allergic to. I wonder how we say licorice in French. I will love this box. Let me know below what you think. I will put there a link, and I will put my code Kathrin10, which will get you 10% off your first box. I will put links below for whatever we talked about. I would put links below for. Thanks again, guys, for being here. I will see you again really soon.